Have you ever looked at an old car and thought the paint was beyond saving? What if I told you that a simple $2 bottle can make a 20-year-old vehicle look dramatically newer in less than an hour? Not a repaint, not expensive detailing, just one inexpensive liquid that countless drivers completely overlook. Sounds impossible? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll understand why so many faded cars are thrown away before anyone even tries this simple trick. Millions of drivers believe faded paint automatically means thousands of dollars in repair bills. Body shops often recommend complete repainting. Dealers suggest trading the car in. Detailing shops offer expensive paint correction packages. But years before modern detailing products filled store shelves, mechanics had another approach. It wasn't magic. It was simply understanding how automotive paint ages. Most people assume old paint disappears forever. In reality, much of the original color is often still there. It's simply hidden beneath years of oxidation, road grime, UV damage, and microscopic contamination. Think about a dusty window. The glass isn't gone. You just can't see through the dirt anymore. Old automotive paint works surprisingly similarly. For decades, professional mechanics understood that careful cleaning, light restoration, and protective oils could dramatically improve faded finishes before recommending expensive repairs. Some of these techniques appeared in garage manuals long before modern ceramic coatings existed. In the 1950s and 1960s, independent garages across America regularly restored work trucks that had spent years under harsh sunlight. Owners couldn't afford fresh paint every few years. Instead, mechanics experimented with affordable liquids that removed oxidation while restoring gloss. Farm vehicles often received the same treatment. A truck hauling hay didn't need showroom perfection, it simply needed protection against weather. Old mechanics quickly discovered that certain polishing oils and paint cleaners could remove the dull surface layer without damaging the healthy paint underneath. Across Japan, vehicle maintenance followed a similar philosophy. Rather than replacing parts immediately, technicians focused on preservation. Keeping something looking new was usually cheaper than replacing it later. That mindset became one reason older Japanese vehicles often maintained surprisingly good cosmetic condition despite high mileage. European craftsmen shared similar ideas long before modern detailing brands appeared. Carriage builders used protective waxes and natural oils to preserve painted wood and metal surfaces exposed to rain and sunlight. The principle never changed. Protect the surface before permanent damage begins. Modern chemistry eventually explained why these methods worked. Ultraviolet sunlight slowly breaks down the uppermost microscopic layer of automotive paint. Oxygen reacts with exposed pigments. Dust and pollution become trapped inside tiny surface imperfections. The finish begins scattering light instead of reflecting it evenly. That dull appearance isn't always permanent. Sometimes only the damaged outer layer needs to be cleaned away. Researchers studying automotive coatings during the late 20th century confirmed that oxidation develops gradually from the surface inward. That discovery helped shape today's paint restoration industry. Professional detailers now routinely restore finishes many owners mistakenly believed were beyond repair. But here's something interesting. Many restoration products contain surprisingly simple ingredients. Nothing magical, nothing futuristic. Just carefully balanced cleaning agents, lubricants, polishing compounds, and protective oils working together. The expensive part is often the branding, not necessarily the chemistry. That raises an interesting question. Why do so many vehicle owners immediately think they need a $3,000 paint job before trying a restoration that costs less than lunch? Because most people have never been shown the difference between faded paint and permanently damaged paint. Those are two very different problems, and confusing them costs drivers billions every year. Imagine buying another vehicle simply because yours looks old. Then imagine discovering it only needed an afternoon of careful restoration. That's exactly why this topic deserves attention. Throughout this video, we'll explore how inexpensive paint restoration liquids work, why older mechanics relied on similar principles decades ago, and how understanding your vehicle's paint condition could save you a surprising amount of money. If you enjoy uncovering forgotten automotive knowledge like this, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Every week, we explore practical garage secrets that help everyday drivers spend less while making their vehicles last longer. Because sometimes the biggest upgrade isn't buying something new, it's finally understanding what you already own. And once large detailing companies realized how profitable paint correction had become, everything started to change. That's when the industry noticed. The global automotive refinishing and paint repair market is worth billions of dollars every year. Paint correction, detailing services, ceramic coatings, and repainting generate enormous revenue because most drivers assume faded paint always requires expensive work. Think about that for a moment. If every oxidized car could be restored with a cheap bottle and a little patience, thousands of expensive detailing jobs would simply disappear. Now, that's not because anyone is hiding a magical formula. It's because inexpensive maintenance rarely gets as much attention as premium services. Many modern restoration products use the same basic principles that mechanics understood decades ago. The difference is often branding, packaging, and marketing. A bottle costing $2 may contain simple cleaning solvents, light polishing agents, conditioning oils, or protective ingredients. Another bottle using similar chemistry may cost $20 or even $50 because it's marketed as professional grade. The science hasn't changed, the label has. Here's what actually happens. When sunlight hits your car every day, ultraviolet radiation slowly attacks the clear coat. That surface becomes rough on a microscopic level. Instead of reflecting light evenly, it scatters light in every direction. That's why faded paint looks chalky instead of glossy. Imagine shining a flashlight onto a mirror. The light bounces back perfectly. Now shine it onto sandpaper. The light spreads everywhere. Your faded paint behaves much more like sandpaper than a mirror. The goal isn't adding fake shine. The goal is making the surface smooth again. That's exactly what paint cleaners and restoration liquids are designed to do. They gently remove oxidation, dissolve stubborn contamination, and fill microscopic imperfections with conditioning oils. Once the surface becomes smoother, light reflects properly again. Suddenly, the original color appears richer. The gloss returns. The paint looks years younger. Professional detailers call this restoring optical clarity. It sounds complicated. In reality, it's just better light reflection. Researchers studying automotive coatings have repeatedly shown that oxidation begins at the outermost surface. If that damage hasn't reached deeper paint layers, restoration is often possible. That's why timing matters. The earlier you treat faded paint, the better your results. Wait too long, and the clear coat may completely fail. Once peeling starts, no liquid can permanently reverse it. At that stage, repainting becomes the only long-term solution. This is why experienced mechanics always inspect paint carefully before recommending repairs. Sometimes a car needs fresh paint. Sometimes it only needs proper restoration. Knowing the difference can save thousands of dollars. Think about every vehicle you've seen parked outside: family SUVs, old pickup trucks, classic sedans, weekend sports cars, delivery vans. Many of them aren't actually worn out. They're simply oxidized. And oxidation is often far easier to remove than people realize. Another interesting fact: professional dealerships often improve used car appearance before putting vehicles on the lot. A vehicle that looked dull in the morning may look dramatically newer by afternoon after proper cleaning, polishing, and paint enhancement. The goal isn't deception, it's presentation. Because appearance heavily influences value. Psychology plays a huge role. When buyers see glossy paint, they automatically assume the car has been well maintained. That perception alone can increase resale value significantly. A small investment in restoration often produces one of the highest cosmetic returns possible. If you've watched this far, you're already learning something many drivers never discover. You're beginning to understand that paint doesn't instantly die. It slowly hides beneath years of neglect, and bringing it back is often much simpler than replacing it. That's why forgotten garage knowledge still matters today. Mechanics didn't rely on expensive marketing. They relied on understanding materials, understanding chemistry, and knowing when simple maintenance could solve what looked like a major problem. In the next section, I'll show you exactly how to use this inexpensive liquid step by step. You'll learn where to buy it, how to apply it correctly, what mistakes to avoid, and how to achieve the best possible results without spending thousands on a repaint. Because once you know the process, you'll never look at faded paint the same way again. Now here's exactly what to do. And honestly, it's much simpler than most people expect. First, inspect your paint in bright daylight. If the surface feels rough, looks chalky, or has lost its shine, but the clear coat isn't peeling, you have a good chance of restoring it. Next, buy an inexpensive paint cleaner or restoration liquid. Many automotive stores sell oxidation removers, cleaner waxes, or paint restorers for just a few dollars. Even budget products can work surprisingly well when used correctly. Before applying anything, wash the car thoroughly. Remove dirt, road salt, bird droppings, and grease. If dirt stays on the paint, you'll simply rub those particles across the surface and create scratches. After washing, dry the car completely. Use a clean microfiber towel instead of an old bath towel. Tiny details like this make a noticeable difference. Now shake the bottle well. Pour a small amount onto a clean microfiber applicator pad. You don't need much. A little product usually covers a surprisingly large area. Work on one panel at a time. For example, start with half of the hood. Use small circular motions while applying light pressure. Don't rush. Let the cleaner do the work. Within a minute or two, you'll often notice the cloth becoming darker. That's usually old oxidation and surface contamination being lifted away. It's actually satisfying to watch. After finishing one section, wipe away the residue using another clean microfiber towel. Turn the towel frequently, so you're always using a clean side. Now step back. Look at the difference. Many people are shocked after completing only half the hood. The untreated side often looks dull and gray. The restored side reflects the sky much more clearly. Continue around the entire vehicle. Work slowly. Patience produces better results than speed. If one section still looks faded, repeat the process once more. A second application often removes oxidation that the first pass couldn't completely lift. Once the paint looks glossy again, protect it immediately. Apply a quality wax or paint sealant. This creates a protective barrier against sunlight, rain, and road grime. Without protection, oxidation will slowly return. Parking habits matter too. Whenever possible, park in the shade or use a car cover. Reducing UV exposure dramatically slows paint aging. Even small changes can add years to your finish. Regular washing also helps. Leaving bird droppings or tree sap on paint for weeks can permanently damage the clear coat. Cleaning them quickly prevents expensive problems later. Professional detailers have followed these same principles for decades. Clean, restore, protect, repeat. That's the entire system. Not complicated, just consistent. Here's another important tip. Never use aggressive rubbing compounds unless absolutely necessary. Many beginners remove more clear coat than oxidation. Always start with the least aggressive product first. You can always increase cutting power later if needed. The goal is preservation, not unnecessary removal. A classic example comes from countless weekend enthusiasts restoring older family cars. Vehicles that looked ready for repainting often regain deep color after careful cleaning and polishing. Owners frequently save thousands of dollars simply because the paint still had healthy layers underneath. That's the biggest lesson. Old doesn't always mean ruined. Sometimes it simply means neglected. Understanding the difference changes everything. Think back to the mechanics of the 1950s, the garage owners of the 1970s, the detailers of the 1980s. They all understood one simple principle. Maintain what you already have before replacing it. Modern marketing often pushes replacement. Old school mechanics preferred restoration. And sometimes they were absolutely right. A shiny car isn't always a new car. Sometimes it's simply a well-maintained one. That's knowledge worth remembering, because a $2 bottle won't perform miracles. But when used on paint that's only oxidized, not permanently damaged, it can dramatically improve appearance for a fraction of the cost of repainting. And that's why millions of dollars are spent every year fixing problems that could have been prevented with basic maintenance. This knowledge was never really lost. It was simply forgotten. Nature hasn't changed. Chemistry hasn't changed. Only the way we think about maintenance has changed. If you learned something new today, subscribe and join us for more forgotten garage secrets that save real money. Share this video with someone whose car has faded paint. They might save thousands without realizing it. And in the next video, we'll uncover another overlooked automotive trick that mechanics have quietly relied on for decades. One that could make your engine last far longer than you ever thought possible.